For developers, CopiioAI is a tool that lets you talk to your APIs. It turns your APIs and data into a real-time conversational interface, so you can operate them directly through chat instead of building a front end. To get started, enable developer mode using the toggle in the lower left corner. Once enabled, a new Developer Tools section appears in the sidebar. Click it to enter the Tools page. Creating a tool from an API. There are 3 ways to create a tool. Let's start with the first one. Method 1. Generate a tool from intercepted Chrome requests. CopiioAI can automatically intercept network requests made by your browser. First, clear any previously intercepted requests. Then open a website in Chrome. In this example, I'm opening Apple's official refurbished MacBook page. Now go back to the intercepted APIs list. Find the request you want to turn into a tool and click it to inspect the details. Once you've identified the correct request, click Generate Tool. A configuration dialog will appear. Start by giving the tool a clear, descriptive name. Below that, you'll see the tool description and parameter settings. You can modify them if needed, but in this case, the defaults are fine. At the bottom, you'll see a checkbox labeled Also Create Knowledge. In CopiioAI, knowledge acts as the execution context for the tool. It tells the AI when to use the tool, how to pass parameters, what part of the response to extract, how to structure the final answer. Enable the checkbox. Now fill in. Question: this defines the task the tool solves. Answer: instructions on how to call the tool and process the response. Description: optional. Example usage. For example, we can use, can you check the price of all 1 6-inch refurbished MacBook Pro? Click Create Tool, and you're done. You'll now see the tool in the Created APIs list. If you switch to the Knowledge Base tab, you'll also see the knowledge entry that was created. Now, go back to the chat page and ask the question. CopiioAI calls the live API and returns real-time, accurate results. Method 2. Import a tool via JSON. The second method is designed for developers who already have structured API definitions. Here, you submit a JSON configuration that includes 5 fields: URL, method, query, header, body. Paste your JSON into the import field and click Import. You'll see the tool appear in the Created APIs list. Open it, rename it to something more readable, and save. Before using it, you need to create a knowledge entry. Go to the Knowledge Base tab and click Create Knowledge. Select the tool you just imported. Fill in question, answer, description. If you don't want this knowledge to be publicly visible, uncheck Make Public. Click Create Knowledge. Now it appears at the top of your knowledge list. Go back to chat and ask your question, for example, a flight status query. CopiioAI will call the API and return the current flight information in real time. Method 3. Create a tool from a URL. The third method is the simplest. Instead of submitting structured API definitions, you just provide a URL. Go to the Developer Tools page and click the third button. Paste your URL and click Load. CopiioAI will automatically generate a tool. Rename it for clarity and save. Then create a knowledge entry as before. When you use a tool created with this method, CopiioAI will automatically open the corresponding Chrome tab, read the full DOM of the page, extract the relevant data, close the tab. From your perspective, it behaves like a live data scraper, but controlled through conversation. Now you can ask your question in chat, and CopiioAI will use the page content to generate an accurate response. sharing tools and knowledge. Finally, let's look at how to share your tools with other users. Go to the knowledge base page. Select the knowledge entry you want to share. Enable Make Public and Submit. It will now appear in the Community tab. Other users can click Add to My Knowledge Base and instantly reuse your tool without configuration. Today, we walked through how developers can use CoppioAI to operate APIs and data conversationally. The goal is simple: reduce front-end overhead, eliminate repetitive integration work, turn your APIs into a real-time interface. CoppioAI. Turn any API into a live conversational interface, no front-end required.